Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to make a rock paper scissors game in Python. So this is going to be like this. Let me run this for you. Like so for us we can type R for rock, S for scissor, and P for paper. Let's type P, and computer choice was paper, so it's a draw, and that's how we are going to make it. So let's begin. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to import random like this, and now I'm going to define our game. And in this game, I'm going to put two things. First, for the user to input the value like rock, R for rock, enter R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors, like this. And I'm going to also define for our computer like this random dot choice. So this function right here, it helps us to get a random number, for example R comma P and last for rs. So this is going to show us any one of the number like R, P and S. So like this. And I also want to show this what have computer has chosen. So I'm going to print like this f, then this computer choice was is sorry, like this and comp. So yes, now I'm going to do if statement. So like this. So right here this conditions are for us when we are going to win. For example, when we have paper and computer has rock, we are going to win. And when we have scissors and computer has paper, we are going to win. And when we have rock, paper, computer has scissors, we are going to win. So in these conditions we are going to win. So I'm going to print you so you won. Okay, like this. And otherwise if if like this, and let me paste it one more time. So now the condition is going to be reversed for in order to computer to win. So I'm going to just replace this like this. Now here paper, and now here scissors, and now here uh, scissors, and now here rock. So like this. And I'm going to print for that you lose, like that. So like this. So otherwise, for if we have not, if both the user and computer has same choice like rock, paper, paper, we want to print it's a draw, it's a draw, draw, like this. So like this. So we have made our game rock paper scissors. So now let's run this out. So like this. And I'm going to save this. Let me save this on my desktop first of all. So yep, like this. Yep, replace this. And let me run in our command promote. So cd desktop. Yep, and now let me, so you can see clearly. So let's run our rock paper scissor. I have named this rock underscore paper dot py, like this. Oh sorry, I have not saved. Again, I think it's not saved because let me save this one more time. Let me delete this first of all. Yep, now let me say yes, I want to replace that. Yes, I think now it's saved. Yes, so let me run this one more time for you guys so you can see. So like this, so enter R for rock, P for paper, S for scissors. So I'm going to play rock. So computer choice was scissors, so we won. So let me run this again one more time. So now let's choose paper. So computer choice was rock, uh, and we won again. So like this, our rock paper scissors has been made. Hope you like it, and I will see you around next time.